StarPets promo code. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go ahead and get the latest StarPet promo codes out there on the internet. Now you can go ahead and do this method from your phones or your computer. First things first, just head over to your browser right here, and inside you want to go ahead and search for StarPets promo codes. Now right after that, it will then present you with this search results right here. You can just go ahead and navigate through one of the search results. In my case, it's going to be the Playaholic. And once inside, it will then go ahead and suggest us the newest promo codes out there for StarPets. So you can just go ahead and read this article right here. And as you can see, for the StarPet codes, this one is active as of the moment. It is going to be the Paylay promo code, Payleey. Just go ahead and click on activate promo codes and you will be able to get this promo code right here. Now unfortunately, there aren't many promo codes out there as of the moment because most of them have expired already. So you can just go ahead and follow along these steps right here. Open up another website, and from there you will be able to claim a lot of promo codes available out there. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.